Effortlessly program your Xfinity remote to control your TV. The easiest way is via the Xfinity mobile app. Download the Xfinity app on your mobile device. Pair your remote to your Xfinity account within the app. The app will guide you through the setup process. Select your TV brand from the list, including Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, or Roku. The app will guide you through auto pairing using Bluetooth or QR code scanning. If that fails, use the provided manual setup codes. Follow the on-screen instructions, then test the power, volume, and mute functions on your TV. For voice control, use remotes like the XR20 that support Alexa integration. If setup fails, first ensure your TV is on and properly connected to the Xfinity box. Power cycling the Xfinity box by unplugging it for 30 seconds can often resolve pairing issues. For older TVs, manually entering a 3 to 5 digit code from the Xfinity website or app may be necessary. Looking ahead, Xfinity is moving toward app-centric and voice-activated controls for easier operation. AI-powered remotes are planned that will learn user habits for personalized control. Expect a shift towards app-only remotes, potentially phasing out physical buttons. Stay updated with Xfinity OS updates for improved auto detection and security features.